Hey guys, this is Candy coming back to you with another video. Yes guys, I took a short break from doing my crochet braid styles, but guess what? I am back in full effect. Yes, I definitely, just wanted to give my hair a breather, and that I did, but now it's time for me to do another install, right? So today, you guys, I'm super duper excited to be, installing this hair. It's the first time using it. It's a variation of the regular passion twist hair that I usually use, but this one is braided at the roots, you guys. So that's interesting. All right, and this is what it looks like. Braided at the roots, twisted at the ends, and I'm in love with the color. It's an ombre color. It's like a gradient. It transitions from a black, a 1B, to a number 30, to a lighter number 27 at the end. So yes, it's super duper 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 nice. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. And guys, the brand again, once again, I'm using Dorsanee. Yes, they have amazing hair, a variety of hair available online, but I usually get them from Amazon. So it's from Dorsanee. And the hair is called Plait Passion Twist. Yes, Plait Passion Twist, and this is in the length 10 inches. All right, so let's see. Of course, I went ahead and started off the process because guys, I've done tons of videos showing you guys how I prep my hair for individual crochet install. So what I will do is just link one of those videos down below so that you guys can see, the beginning portion of those videos, or that video that you choose to watch, and so you won't have to go through that for this particular one. So the hair is already individually braided. Yeah, I did that. And so what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and start the install. Of course, I am, just getting most of the hair out of the way so that I can start with one in the back. And guys, you already know what it is. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. You probably won't know how I do things, but usually when I'm doing a crochet braid style, or any style for that matter, I usually not focus too much on doing the back, just because it's more difficult for me to see what's going on in the back, and so it makes it even more awkward to try to record it. So what I usually do is, do a reasonable amount in the back, and then when I get to the portion where it is more visible or easier for you guys to see, then that's when the cameras starts to roll. All right, but let me start off by attempting to install one in the back for you guys. Again, braided at the top, twisted at the bottom. And it is believed that by the hair being braided at the top, it gives it a flatter look, and it's more comfortable. It doesn't feel bulky, and the hair doesn't get too frizzy towards the root once it's installed, because of course the braids are tighter. These passion twists are pretty loose, and so if they get too frizzy quickly, then it it tends to look more obvious towards the roots. So that should be good. All right, so let's start the install. I'm using my trusty crochet tool. Insert, and then I'm attaching the crochet here, closing the latch hook, pulling it through, keeping the tool inside of the loop like such. Then I'm going to catch my hair at the end, close the latch hook, and pull my hair through that loop and tug in opposite directions, and that's pretty much all it is. And now it's the process of weaving my hair through the crochet hair. All right. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did some in the back. This is about a pack and a half. No lies, almost 2 packs. And each pack has 11 pieces in the pack, and the package has 8 packs. So in all it's 88 pieces of the passion twist, 88 of these. And guys, I believe that it will be enough. The twist itself is, you know, a nice, decent, chunky size. So I have no doubts that, you know, 1 package is enough. But if you like super big hair, they do also sell an extra package with 2 packs. So if you wanted extra, you could order those too. Alright, so now we're, you know, towards the front. So let me go ahead and show you guys how I do it. Insert, attach, close, pull, attach, close, pull through the loop, and then you're going to pull each side just to tighten.
Oh, you're doing it here?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
I'm just checking. Because I ain't seen you in a minute.
You just saw me like a second ago.
No, I was looking in the breakfast plate. I wasn't looking at you.
Really? Alright, so we're weaving the tool through and through the braid part of the passion twist.
And you're such a beautiful person when you're weaving.
So, you know, when them like boots up people like supple Jen. Alright, so once you get to the top, then that's when you attach your hair to the latch hook. Close the latch hook, and you're going to do that initial pull through. And why I say initial pull through is based on the length of my hair. I definitely will have to pull it through more than once. If you have shorter hair, my hair is short in the back, so for in the back portions, it was not as difficult. You know, it was maybe 1 pull through and I was good because I have like a bob cut. But for the front, which is longer, once I do that initial pull through, then I have to go again and estimate, start, you know, pushing, weaving the tool through the twist, just to the point where it I get to where the last pulling through stopped. Last pulling through, yeah, where the hair protrudes. Alright, so now I'm at that point, so attach my hair again, close the latch hook, and I'm pulling through. So my hair is basically being woven into the twist. And then what I do is, because the hair is bouncy and twisted, once you pull it through, you want to lengthen the hair so that, you know, the hair actually stretches out within the twist, and you're good to go. See? Yep. Push through the base. Now let me show you the front one. Angle is everything, guys. I want you guys to be able to see it up close and personal. So push it through, attach, close, pull. While the tool is still in the loop, you attach the end of your hair, close, pull your hair through the loop, and then you pull in opposite directions just to make sure the hair is nice and tight at the root. And then what I do is I start, you know, inserting my tool where the braiding portion stops. So in and out the window, in, out, or out, in, whichever one. And then once I'm at the top, attach my hair, close the latch hook, pull it through. I have that much left to still weave through the braid. Alright, so let's do this, guys. Just pushing the needle all the way through the twist, and it's pretty easy because of how soft and loose the twist is. It's easy to insert the crochet tool in the twist, so that's what I really like. Attach, close, and we are pulling. Now once your hair is within the twist, that's when you're going to hold the end of the twist and pull it down. Yes. Oh guys, look. Pull it down. Alright guys, I'm on the very last braid, and I'm just gonna show you again for good measure, even though I'm pretty sure you guys have gotten it by now, but this is just an extra footage for you guys. Guys, and just like that, we are all done. Okay guys, this is how the style turned out. I don't know if you guys can tell that I'm feeling myself, but I'm super duper uber impressed with the turnout of the style, you know. When I first heard about the braid passion twist, the braided roots, you know, on this passion twist style, to be honest with you, I was a little bit iffy, like just a tad bit iffy, but let me tell you, this is the very best outcome that I've had with any crochet passion twist style. The whole flattened look at the roots just makes it look way more natural. It feels less bulky, and I can already tell that sleep time is going to be, you know, just a little bit more comfortable as a result of that. So yeah, I'm loving the color. The color is everything. Yeah, it's the color for me, guys, with this style. Love it, love it, love it. This hair is super soft. I can tell you that you will not be disappointed if you're looking for a nice, super duper soft hair, but it does not look overly synthetic. It actually feels real, and it kind of does have a little, you know, realness to it, if you ask me. So yeah, I'm just loving this one. It's a win. 10-inch length is perfect. You know, if you're on the go, if you're one of those persons who you want low maintenance hair, you want comfortable hair, this length definitely will do the trick. And if you want just a pop of color for the holidays, I think this ombre look is everything. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys, you know, taking the time to follow my channel, to watch the videos, secondly, and thirdly, commenting, sharing, doing all that stuff. Appreciate you guys. And until my next one, I just, you know, encourage you to stick and stay for more videos to come. All right? Yeah. Dorsanee, you hit this one out of the park with this braid passion twist. Dorsanee, you doing anything? You doing anything over there? Yeah, you are doing a thing over there. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm.